Bebe, we're not going anywhere. He's helped me put on a shirt and a different pair of shorts and he thinks we're going outside. We're not going out. Abby, no. Go to place. No, Bubby. We're not going nowhere. Not me having pizza crust on me. Anyways, today is Thursday. My birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday to me. On Saturday, this Saturday, I decided to throw a little party. You know, I could do that. But what I also decided to do is make my outfit. Not like any birthday girl, she wants to have a change, you know, of outfits, you know what I'm saying? I decided that my first outfit is going to be the sequin dress. I did take it to the tailor though because it is a little bit big on me. Maybe I could have fixed it, but also like I'm not trying to do all that. I just went today to do the fitting. So what I want to make is the second outfit that I changed into. Initially, I wanted something really bright because the whole theme of this party is disco. I want something like bright, funky, and cool and da 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 da, but I don't have any other fabric. I don't have the time to go or anything. So we're working with what we got. However, I did just find this floral power mesh fabric that I bought, but honestly I don't think I can make what I want with it because I don't have like a good lining to use or anything. So I'm gonna be using the animal print power mesh that I made my gala dress with, and we're gonna hope for the best, girl. This is my mock-up for what I want to do. Wanted to make like some kind of bell-bottom thing. I wanted like a halter situation and I don't want to wear a bra. I'm saying like I'm hoping that it's not gonna be as hard, also because it's actual fabric and I'm not doing a thrift flip. So fingers, arms, leg, cross, that everything goes well. So let's get started on the pattern. So I remember from my 31st birthday, I made my outfit that was this. So I'm trying to Baby, I don't know what you think is happening right now. Es que no sé, no entiendo. Anyways, I remember I made this pattern for it. I don't know what happened to the pants. I have these stretchy bell bottoms that fit me really nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and reuse this pattern, but you see there's like a giant gap here. I am going to take this in an inch. This was a time where I was giving myself a full inch of seam allowance because I was like, if I fuck up right now, maybe a full inch is a little bit too much. I'm gonna do half an inch instead. Get started. Let's get started. Ha! Also forgot to mention how I made this pattern was literally by using Jenna Phipp's tutorial here. That really helped. Redesigned, reimagined, altered pattern has been done. I have my fabric. It's time to cut, girl. It's not like I like to work under pressure, girl. I don't. But it just ends up being that's just the way it is. Unfortunately, well, I don't know. Fortunately, that is just the way my life goes. That things just like whoop. I just had some other things earlier in the month that I was pouring my everything into, and now it's like. But I'm excited to get this done. So let's cut. Truly hope that both of these fit on the same paper. Oh, they do if I do this. Hey, ain't nobody. So I'm gonna use this as the bottom piece to the halter top, but I'm gonna reimagine it real quick because I do want to make this part a little bit bigger because it's a little bit too tight on me. So fan this out a little bit more, and I want to also add in a little angle here because like the top has that kind of like top triangle part.
You're something beautiful, electric chemical. You take my breath away, feel my emotions push and pull. Shooting stars in your eyes, you're bringing me to life. Love how you say my name, you make it feel like summertime. When you reach out your hand.
Pieces are cut. I think I'm gonna do like a basting stitch, like a zigzag basting stitch, try them on. Not gonna lie, I'm a little scared that they might be a little bit too tight because I don't know, girl. Don't be scared. Just do to put together. That's fine. I do have a serger now, so I could just use it. It's probably gonna be a lot easier. But here's the thing. I know with this fabric, I still wanted to make a la Sabrina Carpenter little capris. I do have enough fabric. I mean, am I realistically going to be wearing this again? But I'm like, maybe I could just reuse this fabric to make those capris. The only thing though, I kind of wanted to do a French seam for this so that you don't see any of the side panels. But then again, it really doesn't matter because I'm literally gonna wear this for a house party at my house with like 9 of my friends. Like, does it really matter, girl? Does it really matter? To me, it kind of does. So I think, why you gotta be like that, girl? Why you gotta be too berry? Conca airy. Okay, I cannot wait till the day that I have my own sewing room. That room is gonna be in shambles like every day. But just knowing that I can just go ahead and close the door behind me and all of that is there would be so nice. I wonder how that feels. You know what I'm saying? You know, growing up and stuff, like my mom liked to sew, but it's not like she had a sewing room or anything like that. It was literally on the dining room table. Oops, we already ran into a problem where the back is a little bit lower than the front. But you know what? We might just roll with it. Yeah, I just can't wait till that day that I have that. It's just gonna be so nice because, you know, I really appreciate my small little home. Like, I love my little home. She's the best. But damn, it would be nice to actually have, you know, space for my other things, little crafting things. Like, it's the good thing about having a small space is that I can clean up quite fast. So that is a pro. But the con is because it's so small, it gets so messy so quickly. Like, you put one thing out of place and all of a sudden it's like everything's a mess. Just always trying to find that balance. Okay, let me do this thing but not make my space messy. So the only times like when my space is really clean, like yesterday when Janet came over, she came over for my birthday. Yesterday when she came over, I was like, girl, like my space is messy. And it's not like, oh, it's messy, like, you know, and it's actually really not. Like, no, bitch, like it is messy because I was sewing. So that was a lot.
You know you feel like magic. You know you feel like magic. You know you feel like magic. Magic. Dance in the living room. Can't stop looking.
Actually, you probably see my underwear, can you? Okay, girl. Hey. This is not the final form, obviously, but I want to add in some godettes on the sides. Anyways, this is a little bit too big, so I'm going to bring it in so that you can really see the bell bottom even more. Heaven must be missing an angel. Ooh, excited. And can you see my underwear? You can, but also kind of not really. That's why I really like this. Like, you can. I think if I was just wearing all black undies, it would look good. Welcome to Seam Ripping with Natalie. As someone suggested that I make this series because honestly, I am always seam ripping. I'm happy that I did basting stitch, but damn, I gotta take all this out. So yeah, here we are. You are not alone.
The way you're moving, I'm watching all of my dreams come true. Take all my stress away, clear up my cloudy days.
I made some readjustments to the pattern, and at first I was just trying on like one leg at a time, and then I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be too tight. But girl, it actually fits. Oh my goodness. I need to add in that godet. I want to just finish at least the pants today. And oh, tomorrow I need to make the drinks. I need to make my outfit. Janet is also coming over later that day. So no, it doesn't. So much time has passed, but I told myself I would be done at 12, then 1, and then 3, and it's now 2. The top is almost done. I need to still add in a godet, whatever, to the pants. But first I'm going to work on the waistband. If I have time, I'll add in that godet. If I don't have time, then I'll just keep it as is, but at least I'll have the waistband done. But the top is looking cute. Okay, so I wanted to do like a V waistband. I will link the tutorials if you want to see how I kind of did it. It is already 3 o'clock. Finally gonna put in the waistband. Outfit is done. Time to clean. Janet's coming over in like, I'm gonna say an hour. I still gotta go take an Albie. I still have to wash him. I gotta go pick up my dress. I gotta go pick up the ingredients for the drinks. I mean, I smell
Lime and
it.
sugar. What can go wrong?
Dime qué es lo que pasa, que hablaste pa' mi casa, yo te espero sin nada. Dime qué es lo que pasa, yo quiero desacatarme contigo, papi, perder el control contigo, papi. Dime, yo te digo, papi, ay papi, ay papi. Ay papi, ay papi. Dime qué es lo que
10 a.m. drinking.
Shot glass. Try it with ice. You just have to assume that it will be a little bit watered down.
She good. Like I would be
ice cold water.
I would be like, if my bartender gave me that, I'd be like, hell yeah, thank you.
To the full bottle, there's a tiny bit left.
Okay.
You can see how much of the lime juice you use for pisco. Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
And Albie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go. Let's make a dance like At least his tail is wagging. Good job, Abby. Abby, on two. On two. On two. On two. On two. On two. On two.
He's long and legs.
Time for my outfit reveal. Oh my god, I am loving the outfit. So initially I was going to make the top more of a crop top, but I'm happy I kept it long. Then not only can it look like a jumpsuit when it's together with the pants, but then I can get more use out of them as separates. For the pants, it's so interesting. Even though this is mesh, it kind of looks like I'm not wearing anything underneath, but I promise you I'm actually wearing underwear, okay? But how the fabric is, like, I don't know, you kind of just don't really need a lining, and I think that's so cool. Oh, and I was also going to initially make a belt to go with this, but with the time constraints and everything, I just styled it with this scarf that my sister gave me, and I just safety pinned it around my hips to make it a belt. The only thing I would love to change about this outfit is the cups that I made for the top. It fits, but it's not like completely fitted to my chest, and I think if I had more time, I would have been able to figure out what I needed to do to make it tight, maybe add in a dart or cut it differently, but as is, it's still good. However, moving forward, I will be wearing this with some boob tape to feel extra secure. Overall, the whole outfit is everything I wanted and was pretty easy to make, so that's a big win in my book. We did it, yo. We did it. Janet was like, oh my god, is this the first time you've actually managed to finish a outfit before the event? And I'm like, there was one other time 3 years ago for my other disco party. So maybe disco is a thing. If it's disco, I'm gonna finish it on time. Anyways, I'm so happy it's done. The party was amazing and everything that I wanted. I had such a good time. I'm not taking down these decorations until they fall off because they are too cute. It looks so good with my apartment. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, homies. I will catch you guys in the next one. And I hope the video finds you safe. Hope you're doing well. And that is all. Bye. Do the disco. I mean, no. Do the hustle. Ting, 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 ting.